What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. I just picked up something that I've been wanting for a long time. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I got this Harbor Freight. It's just a clone of what I actually got. So this here is the TLR-1 HL pistol mounted light. And we're going to be taking a look at it today, mount it up on the pistol, and just kind of see what it's like. So first off, out of the box, you can see the unit. It looks good, man. It looks great. I love this circular line here of silver. On the other one, it doesn't have that for some reason. And right off the bat, you can kind of see the difference in quality. You know, a lot of people say that these are both the same quality, but this is one solid chunk piece right here. And then this one kind of has like hinges on it. So what you get in the box is you get some other pieces that you can mount onto other types of pistols. But the one that comes on it ready to go is the Glock 1913 rail. You get two of these batteries. They're the CR123A. Let's get these out. You get a nice manual. Oh, a little Streamlight sticker. Nice, beautiful. Let's get these out of the way. Now, I know how this works already because it's the same way as the other one opens. So you basically undo this hinge right here, and you kind of, there we go. Oops. Bust it open, and then you just kind of pop it open at the back. Always make sure to put the batteries in the right way. So you could see on the sides here, it kind of shows you. Boom, pop it open like that. Boom, awesome, there it is. Let's see if we can see some. There's the strobe feature. Nice, dude. Nice, super bright light. This is 1,000 lumens. What is it, 20,000 candela. Let's see what it looks like on a pistol. This is my Glock 45. If you guys seen the channel, you guys know that this is like my favorite gun. I use it for US PSA. All right, let's get this mounted up, tighten down. Boom. Nice fit, does not wiggle whatsoever. This thing is awesome. But yeah, look at that. Nice, dude. Let's get a little focus here. Cool. I like how it looks, man. This thing is awesome. So usually just like with the thumb, boom. Double tap for strobe if you want strobe. Stay on, down, and then up. Strobe it up. Boom. There it is, boys. This is the light that I've been wanting for a while. Ever since I got that Harbor Freight light, I've been wanting like the actual version of it. And I gotta say, this thing looks dope, man. And you could tell, I mean, a lot of people say it's the same quality, but it's not. It's definitely not. If you're in the market for a new light, this one's the way to go. It's not as expensive as the Surefire that I have. Let me grab it real quick. It's not as expensive as the Surefire, but it's definitely a little bit shorter. And I kind of like this one better, and I have a good holster for it, so yep, there we go, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. TLR1HL. Like, subscribe. I love you guys.